HeyGen allows you to create lip sync videos with any voice just from a single image. But there are few things you should know. You can create 3 videos per month on the free account. First, you should click on Photo to Video feature and add your image here. And here's first trick. If the person in the image has a closed mouth, HeyGen will have to guess how the teeth of this person should look. This means that they can be at least slightly different in different videos. In this case, my reference image is AI generated, so I can go to Gemini, for example, and use Nano Banana to make the mouth of this woman slightly open and describe the teeth. For example, I want to make them look like veneers. Or I can make them golden, for example, or whatever. If I just make her mouth slightly open, without describing the teeth, Nano Banana will create the most realistic teeth that will correspond her facial features and overall lighting. After uploading image, you can select one of the available voices. You can filter them by language, gender, etc. There are lots of filters. You can clone some voice or generate new one. Once you've selected the voice, you should enter the script. Remember that currently, free account allows you to create videos in 720p only. I'll use just some sample script this time. After hitting Generate button, you should go to Projects tab, and there you'll see the generation progress. Generation usually takes around a few minutes, and here you can save the video to your device.
The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
I want to remind you that this video was made from this image. So now I want to use the one edited with Nano Banana. Additionally, you can use any audio to create lip sync. You just should upload your file here. Don't be confused if you have selected some voice and added some audio. Audio file has higher priority, so it will be used for the video generation anyway. Let's see how different the character will look with veneers.
This is voice from 11 Labs. Do you think it matches my appearance?
You can see that the difference is significant. Next, you should know that the closer your character's face is to the camera, the more detailed, smooth, and realistic results you get. Even if your original image has vertical aspect ratio, you can select horizontal one and make the image fill the screen. You'll get zoomed in version. The face takes up more space.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. Above all, it is the courage to continue that counts.
Face is extremely clear, and as you can see, HeyGen didn't spoil the golden teeth I added using Nano Banana. Sometimes the person in the video can look a little bit too static. You can add extra motion by clicking on Add Motion and enabling more expressive motion. I'm going to just duplicate sample script to make the video longer. More expressive motion won't make your character walk or jump, but you'll see that the body and hand movements can become more noticeable.
Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Every swing brings you closer to your next home run. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Every swing brings you closer to your next home run.
This is pretty much everything I wanted to tell you about the essentials of creating lip sync videos from a single image in HeyGen. Thanks for watching.